For your simulation, please take a moment to review the Simulation Resources tab on the HSSC SMU Connect intranet site. This will help make certain that you are prepped and ready to provide the best possible sim experience for your learners. The Simulation Resources tab is designed to provide faculty with an overview of the different resources that might be used in simulation and that are available in the HSSC. Here you'll find information on how to access requested video recordings of simulations, an inventory guide of different task trainers and DME that are available at each campus for use in simulations, and a quick overview of what constitutes a mannequin-based simulation versus a standardized patient simulation, along with the planning forms and documents that should be used in each of these types of simulations. Faculty are also able to review the Safe Container policy and access the Safe Container video orientation that is provided to learners from this page. This is the video orientation link. Additionally, there is also access to videos that can be provided to learners on how to add and remove medications from the HSSC pharmacy or Pyxis machines. A Pyxis quick guide that contains a step-by-step process with visuals is also accessible for faculty here. Finally, you can access more faculty development resources related to simulation from this page.